So I'm making some lion's mane mushroom. Just waiting for this to heat up a little bit. Using the beef tallow this time. So I put some bay leaves on here and some spices, maybe some herbs. I gotta get something to hold this with. But anyway, I'm gonna put the lion's mane right there. You're supposed to just keep it there and then let it kind of you know, get there and then squeeze and then crush it. Like not crush it, but like put pressure on it to flatten out. It's like it's gonna be like a steak. Yeah, so anyway, gotta clean up that oil thing. Oh, the tallow. Thanks for watching. Here's some more progress on the lion's mane. It's actually starting to smell really good with all the beef tallow and the onions and stuff like that, and the minced garlic, the bay leaves, all together, kind of coming together as one. Probably gonna cook this for another 5 minutes. All right, here's the finished product on my new quartz countertop. Obviously it got a little dirty. I'm gonna go to the seat here. Get some stuff out of the way. Still cleaning up. And yeah, there we go.